I've worked with Ettico for the past few months. They are a team of smart, ambitious, and very driven entrepreneurs who want to democratize the world of AI and make complex algorithms available to every business. I've seen them grow and refine their product, and I'm keen to see where they take their company in the months and years to come. I'm very proud to introduce you Ettico.
My name is Alexandru. I am the founder of Ettico, and today I will be talking about how we improve revenue and customer experience of e-commerce stores with no-code AI. Well, small and medium-sized stores are facing really big problems today. To name a few, they offer weak product discovery capabilities, data-driven decisions are hard to make, and they don't really have the budget and people to compete with big tech in solving these problems. That's why we built Ettico. Our platform offers specialized AI solutions and use cases that greatly improve product discoverability and conversion rates. Actionable insights and intelligent reports generated from the store's data environment. And of course, a no-code experience powered by industry giants that can be used by virtually anyone, regardless of their experience and background. To make it even easier, we offer around 81 customizable use cases that span across the digital spectrum of e-commerce improvements. From visual search and hyper-personalized recommendations to forecasting, dynamic pricing, and even chat, all can be installed in days instead of months. We like to think of Ettico as the Zapier of AI configuration in the next 3 years, and as the autopilot for e-commerce stores in the next 5. But until then, here's how it works. Stores sign up and sync their data with Ettico via dedicated connectors and APIs. They install one or more solutions directly on their existing platform. That was the second step. Then they track, optimize, and scale these solutions according to their needs. Now let's take a closer look at one of these use cases. I'm pretty sure you've heard of visual search because it's everywhere. It's offered by major stores to help customers search for products with images and videos. So you snap a picture of a nice pair of sneakers and the store you like can recommend some pretty awesome products. It also increases sales by an average of 18% and is considered one of the best recommendation tools ever developed. So why doesn't everyone use it? Right. For one thing, without Ettico, it requires special talent, development hours, and infrastructure to implement. With Ettico, anyone who already knows how to use an e-commerce platform can install and configure it. It takes about 60 days to implement it the old-fashioned way, while with Ettico, it only takes about 10 days. Connecting data sources and analytics with custom solutions, again, requires custom development, while with Ettico, these connections are seamless and reliable. Last but not least, instead of paying upwards of $30,000 for installation and another $5,000 for monthly operating costs, you can set up Ettico for free in no time and pay as you go as your business grows. Okay, well, let's talk about the product. Let's talk about the numbers because we already talked about the product. So we are currently running a pilot in 2 large stores from Austria and Romania. We have a waiting list of more than 150 early adopters for our self-service platform and an upcoming custom integration with a community building platform serving more than 2 million users. We estimate the market to be around 8 billion in 2021 in the US, Europe, and Canada. Our addressable market, on the other hand, is roughly around 50% of the total market. As you can see, our goal is to take 2% of the serviceable market, especially when it comes to plugin and extensions and external agencies, in the next 3 years. So speaking of no-code, the market is projected to total $13.8 billion in 2021 and $45.5 billion by 2025. That's an annual growth. That's a compound annual growth rate of around 25% over the forecasted period. And it's supported in no small part by the ever-increasing demand for developers, which is estimated to reach a deficit of 500,000 in the US alone by 2024. Let's look at our competition for 1 second, right? They're doing pretty good. Let's hear it for DataRobot, Algolia, and Bloomreach while we're at it. They've done an excellent job so far. We have some pretty unfair advantages, though. We excel in terms of speed of delivery and ease of use, and we're also eyeing citizen developers to fill in that demand deficit that we were talking about earlier. Our business model, on the other hand, is quite simple. It's subscription-based in monthly or yearly payments. And in the future, we also want to offer a marketplace of third-party infrastructure, integrations, connectors that act like building blocks for companies to create unique solutions with. On average, our customers will spend around $3,000 per month. Overall, we estimate the opportunity to be $300,000 in the first year and $80 million in the third year. Our team consists of 7 people, including myself. From design to development to marketing and sales, we have come together to create this amazing product. I myself have had the pleasure of building 2 other startups and working with some of the best companies in the industry over the last 12 years of my career. Ettico is the pinnacle of that experience. Now our ask is simple, $200,000 to help us implement and refine our platform with our existing customers, to accelerate the delivery of our self-service capabilities to our future customers over the next 12 months, and of course, to help us prepare for our next funding rounds. We're also looking for some more pilots to run. So if you know a cool store that wants to use no-code AI, just give us a call. Finally, I'd like to leave you with a question or a thought. What will the development landscape look like to you in the next 10 years? Thank you very much and have fun.